If you are looking for the easiest way to create your own 1688 account, like you've been searching all over, you want to create your own 1688 account and you do not know how to go about it, well, this video is for you. So the next video you are going to be seeing is a screen recording on how you can create your own 1688 account. The first thing you do is to tap on your 1688. If you do not have 1688, please go over to your Apple Store or to your Play Store and download 1688. It is now available on Play Store and Apple Store. After you download it, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, it loads, and this is how it looks like. Okay, and immediately it brings this up for me to log in or any other thing. Now it is very risky for you to log in with your number and for them to start sending code and everything. You are not it is not a Chinese number. This is a Nigerian number. I don't know, I don't just like it using my number. So we are going to tap on Google. If you check down other methods, tap on Google and agree, then continue. It will take you over to the email section. So you choose an email. Okay, let it load. You choose an email. I've chosen the email I want to use. And just like that, I have signed in. Can you see? It is that easy. Now these are just basically things they'll be showing you, as like you can see, first order, double perks, blah blah blah. These are the things they'll be showing you as a first order. So if you tap on the me section, you have to see this is your account. This is your account. As you can see, this is your registered account. Then you can now go ahead to start imputing your address, your China address and everything. But this is basically how to log in, like how to open a 1688 account. The best way, like the best way to open a 1688 account, this is it. And you can see these are things we have. These are things they are just showing me. So that is how to open a 1688 account. And just like that, under how many minutes you've created your own account for free without paying anything. If this video is what you like, make sure you subscribe and check out the playlist of 1688 so you can watch other videos about 1688. And we'll see again in the next video. Bye guys.